Hey there, fellow gardeners! If you're like me, there's nothing better than a fresh, juicy tomato straight from your own garden. But with over 700 varieties out there, picking the right one can feel like a wild goose chase. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down and make this choice a whole lot easier. First things first, heirloom versus hybrid. Heirloom tomatoes are the classics, cultivated for at least 50 years and open-pollinated by wind, rain, or insects. Save their seeds and you'll get the same tomato next year, like magic. On the other hand, hybrids are like the sports cars of tomatoes, bred for disease resistance, taste, and faster harvests. But don't save those seeds, you won't get the same result next year. Now let's talk tomato types. Determinate tomatoes, also known as bush tomatoes, are your best buddies if you want a compact plant that produces a lot in a short time. Perfect for containers or small spaces. These guys grow no higher than 3 to 5 feet, need minimal pruning, and are awesome for canning and freezing. Some top determinate varieties include Patio, Better Bush, Roma, and San Marzano. Indeterminate tomatoes, however, are the marathoners. They keep growing and producing fruit all season long until frost says enough. These need staking, and regular pruning is a must to maximize fruit production. Pinch off those pesky suckers at the 45-degree angle where the branches meet the stem. Varieties to look out for? Black cherry, brandywine, Cherokee purple, and sun gold are just a few favorites. There's also a middle ground, the semi-determinate tomatoes, which are compact yet productive throughout the season. They're like the best of both worlds. So which one's right for you? If you're a newbie or have limited space, go for determinate varieties. They're low maintenance and perfect for containers and cooler climates. If you've got the space and a bit more experience, try your hand at indeterminate varieties for a steady supply all summer long. Remember, understanding whether you're working with determinate or indeterminate varieties is crucial. It affects how you plant, prune, and ultimately enjoy your harvest. Alright, that's all for today. Happy gardening, and may your tomatoes be bountiful and delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. See you next time.